What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this POV review by Autobahn. My name is Max, and today we have a magnificent BMW M6 E63 with the V10, and it is, as you can see, a nice evening at the Autobahn. The sun has, well, will set in about 5 minutes, and that should mean that it is nice and quiet on the Autobahn and that we can record some nice flyby shots in this M6. I'm going to do a very quick walk around because we do need to hurry up, and then we'll take it for a drive towards the Autobahn, which is over there, for an Autobahn blast. So this car we've actually made a review with before, with an FI exhaust, which is just nuts. It is so loud, it sounds really good, but since it has had a couple other modifications, we've got Manhart wheels here. These are 20-inch Manhart wheels with around that Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, I'm assuming. Yes, 255 at the front. This car belongs to Gijsbertse, by the way. Gijsbertse BMW specialists in the Netherlands. Go check them out on Instagram, and you know, if you need anything done on your BMW, go check them out. 295s at the rear, FI exhaust, as I said. And we also supplied a very nice modification to Aaron, the owner of this car, which is this Infinity intake and plenum, which is just visual carbon porn, basically. This just looks insane, it sounds really good, and you get some extra performance from it as well, because this car has been on the dyno at the tuning service Huizen, and instead of the standard 507 horsepower, it actually had 544, and the torque went from 520 newton meters to 582. So I'm also going to do a couple measurements, 100 to 200, to see what the performance increase is. And yeah, that's it for today. So let's start it up. Very deep idle. We also have what's left of the remote for the FI exhaust, so when we close that you can hear the difference. Sounds insane. It's so deep and dark, it's ridiculous. All right, so here we go. Put the gearbox, the 7-speed, in sport, most aggressive setting. Then we go to power mode, DSC all the way off. So we have a secret setting for the gearbox, and then the dampers, we'll put that in sport, and this should be the perfect setup for this car.
Connect to server failed.
So, oh. Oh my god, listen to that! This sounds incredible! Just the fact that they did this back then is quite ridiculous. So 6 gear, 7 gear. Well, that was uneventful. I mean, it just kind of did it. What the hell? This thing has such long legs. It is ridiculous. Oh, and that shift in this aggressive setting is so crazy. So that's a 7.9 100 to 200. Last time round we did an 8.2. So that is actually that is a proper increase in performance for this M6 with this intake and exhaust. That is serious. So of course, you know, we've made reviews in the past with these cars. If you want like the full lowdown of what it is and how it came about, and go check out one of our other reviews. I'm just going to focus on this particular one. Of course, they put the V10, the motorsport derived V10 in here because they could, because back then it was just, well, it was just crazy what was not crazy enough. You know, it needed to be as crazy as possible because they were all doing crazy shit. And this is sort of peak automotive, if you ask me. This is like, yeah, I mean, the fact that they did this is just insane. I can hear the reflection of that sound. Alright, here we go again. Martijn is on the bridge. Oh, those shifts are so quick and so violent. There was a 7.6, 100 to 200. Incredible. Just the stability of it and the lack of wind noise and road noise. It has no problem doing this. Okay, so we've got a little tunnel here which should provide some nice echo. Oh, that is ridiculous. So this was just a quick little run because we needed to record this sound. Oh. One last 100 to 200. Was 7.7, so it's consistently performing a lot better than before because you have more air going in. You've got that free flow exhaust, which is also just ridiculous. This is one of the best sounding cars. I mean, especially at this price point, but probably one of the best BMWs sound-wise that they've ever made. And yeah, I mean, this is just nuts, absolutely insane. Big thanks to Gijs Bertsen and of course Aaron in particular. Thank you so much for letting us have a drive. This was a very short review, but short but sweet. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. You can subscribe by clicking the big button in the middle. You can also check out this video, this playlist, and I'll see you at the next one. Bye.